use the Reconcile Period feature to reconcile coded transactions in Xero to a bank statement at the end of a period. In the bank account, click the Reconcile Period tab. We recommend using the Reconcile Period feature from the start of a financial year to ensure the most accurate records in Xero. You'll see a summary of completed periods in the All Periods section. To reconcile a new period, click Create Period. In the Statement Date Range section, enter a date range for the period you want to reconcile. In this example, we'll enter the period 1st of July to 31st of July. Next, enter the opening statement balance from your actual bank statement for the selected date range. We had an opening balance of $700. Then, enter the closing statement balance from your actual bank statement for the selected date range. We had a closing balance of $4,000. When you're ready, click Start Reconciling Period. At the top of the page, Xero shows a calculation for the period balance, which is your opening statement balance minus payments in Xero plus deposits in Xero. The calculated period balance should match your closing statement balance. If the balances don't match and Xero shows a difference, scroll down the page and compare the transactions in Xero with your actual bank statements. This may require removing statement lines or importing missing ones. When the balances match, click Close Period. You can no longer delete or edit the selected transactions within the reconciled period unless you reopen it. To reopen a period, click Edit. To export the reconciled period from Xero, click Export PDF and save it on your computer as needed. You can now reconcile periods and confirm transactions match the actual bank account statements. Remember to add a lock date to prevent any changes to other transactions in the period.